Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate guide to off-road gear, accessories, and the best products to upgrade your ride. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dash cams for Jeep Gladiator. Whether you're hitting rugged trails, cruising highways, or just want extra security, these dash cams are designed to give you crystal clear 4K recording, seamless OEM fit, and reliable performance. Let's get started. Number 5. Front 4K Dash Cam. This front 4K dash cam is purpose-built for the Jeep Gladiator JT, 2018 to 2024, including popular trims like Mojave and Overland, and also works with the Wrangler JL. With UHD 2160p video resolution, it captures sharp, clear footage for both daytime adventures and night driving. The OEM-style design ensures it blends seamlessly into the Gladiator's interior, giving it a factory-installed appearance. It comes equipped with Wi-Fi and app compatibility, allowing quick access to your recordings on the go. The 64GB storage card included is sufficient for daily use, though frequent long drives may require file transfers to free up space. Real-world Jeep drivers highlight how the loop recording and G-sensor make it reliable for accident recording and off-road action. Whether you're navigating trails or cruising highways, this dash cam delivers consistent performance with hassle-free usability. Number 4. Fitcamx 4K Dash Cam. The Fitcamx 4K Dash Cam is tailored for the Jeep Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer, 2022 to 2025. Designed with an integrated OEM-style look, it fits perfectly without dangling wires or bulky mounts. It records in UHD 2160p and offers loop recording, ensuring that older clips are automatically overwritten to save space. With its built-in Wi-Fi and app support, drivers can easily view and transfer footage directly to their smartphones. The included 64GB card provides enough storage for routine daily driving, while the G-sensor ensures important clips are locked and protected during sudden stops or accidents. Drivers appreciate the plug-and-play installation, which requires minimal effort, no professional installation needed. Reviewers highlight its reliability during long highway drives and its ability to capture sharp details in varying lighting conditions, making it a dependable choice for both daily commutes and extended family road trips. Number 3. Jeep Compass. The 4K dash cam for Jeep Compass, 2017 to 2025, is designed to integrate smoothly into models like the Altitude, Latitude, Limited, and Trailhawk. It records in UHD 2160p resolution, ensuring crisp detail for both city commutes and off-road adventures. Its OEM-style fit means it blends naturally into your Jeep's cabin without looking aftermarket. What really makes this model attractive is its 128GB storage capacity, which is perfect for long drives where continuous recording is essential. Many users praise the Wi-Fi and app control, which allow quick access to recorded clips for social media sharing or insurance purposes. The loop recording and G-sensor features provide added reliability by automatically saving critical moments. Real-world drivers note that the camera's wide-angle coverage captures not only the road ahead but also side activity, crucial for parking lots and narrow trails. For Jeep Compass owners, this dash cam provides a great balance of usability, durability, and advanced features. Number 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee. This custom-fit 4K dash cam for Jeep Grand Cherokee models, 2016 to 2022, including WK 2022, is a premium choice for drivers who want sharp video clarity and a sleek, factory-installed look. It supports UHD 2160p recording, ensuring license plates and road details are visible even in challenging light conditions. What makes this model appealing is its 128GB card support, giving users extended storage capacity compared to many competitors. Jeep Grand Cherokee drivers appreciate how the camera doesn't obstruct their view, maintaining safety while enhancing convenience. User reviews often mention its strong night vision capabilities and stable app connection for quick access to saved videos. For those who frequently travel long distances or use their Jeep for towing, this dash cam provides the reliability and recording power needed to cover all driving conditions. Number 1. 4K Dash Cam. This 4K dash cam is specifically designed for the Jeep Gladiator JT, 2018 to 2024, and also fits the Wrangler JL. What sets it apart is its OEM-style integrated look, which blends seamlessly with the Jeep's interior. The camera records in UHD 2160p, delivering crystal clear footage both day and night. Users highlight how easy the installation process is, simply plug and play without complicated wiring. The built-in Wi-Fi and companion app make it effortless to download and review recordings on your smartphone. A 64GB card is included, offering decent storage for daily commutes and off-road trips. In real-world use, this dashcam proves to be ideal for Jeep Gladiator drivers who value durability and a factory-style design. Whether you're tackling rocky terrain or cruising on the highway, the camera's loop recording and G-sensor features ensure important clips are automatically saved. That's a wrap on our list of the best dashcams for Jeep Gladiator. Each of these models brings you solid video quality, easy installation, and peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Adventure Jeep for more off-road product reviews, tips, and Jeep upgrades. Until next time, keep exploring and keep your adventures rolling.